Thank you. All right, counsel, you can continue.
Thank you, Judge. Mrs. Pino, only a few more questions for you. I want to show you what's already in evidence as State's Exhibit 13. These are answers to interrogatories that you signed in a civil matter.
Yes.
Now, on the last page, which is page, are there page numbers? Okay, well, the last page, is that your signature there?
Yes.
And the date is what?
October 19, 2023.
Now, does it say, "I declare under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States"? You see that paragraph?
Yes.
What does the last part of that sentence say? Can you read it?
Foregoing interrogatories are true and correct to the best of my knowledge.
And at the time that you signed this document, were all the answers in this true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
And why, how can you answer questions if you don't have a recollection of how the accident occurred?
Because that is how I understood the accident occurred, because that's what my husband told me.
And did you have any reason at the time to doubt that?
No.
Nothing further. Thank you, Mrs. Pino.
Thank you.
Cross.
Mrs. Pino, you signed a document under the penalty of perjury that the crash happened because of the wake of another vessel, correct?
Correct.
You didn't answer saying, "My husband told me that this is what happened," did you?
No, but the question doesn't say that I saw anything.
Describe in detail, this is from State's Exhibit number 13 in evidence. Describe in detail how the incident described in the complaint, meaning the accusation, happened, including all actions taken by you to prevent the incident. Your answer was, while returning to Ocean Reef, a vessel passed heading in the opposite direction. The vessel caused a wake, and then the accident occurred. That's what your answer was, wasn't it?
Yes.
And then you were asked, describe in detail each act or omission on the part of any party to this lawsuit that you contend constituted negligence that was a contributing legal cause of the incident in question. And your answer was, the wake of the unidentified vessel headed northbound was a contributing legal cause of the incident in question. That was your answer, wasn't it?
Yes.
Now, obviously, you've been married to the defendant for a long time, correct?
Yes.
And it seems pretty clear you love your husband.
Yes.
You have 2 children together, although they're now adults, right?
Yes.
But growing up, your husband was a good father to them, wouldn't you agree?
Amazing.
And in fact, he was active in raising them, right?
Yes.
He helped pay for them to get a good education, correct?
Yes.
Some of the best private schools in Miami, right?
Yes.
And you and your husband raised them to honor the church, right?
Yes.
And to be religious.
Yes.
And that meant teaching them right from wrong, correct?
Yes.
And it also meant teaching them things like taking responsibility for your actions, correct?
Yes.
And it also meant teaching your children that actions have consequences, didn't it?
Yes.
But your husband isn't just your husband and the father of your children, he's also your business partner, isn't he?
I work for him.
And certainly with him being the chief executive officer at State Street Realty with $1.75 billion in sales, certainly you would agree that he's in a better financial position to make money than you are, correct?
He's the breadwinner.
Okay. And throughout your marriage, you all have enjoyed a robust social life, haven't you?
We're social, yes.
And you have many friends that you've socialized with,
Yes.
correct? Gone to parties,
Yes.
played pickleball,
Yes.
played tennis,
Yes.
group gatherings,
Yes.
boating trips together,
Yes.
membership at Ocean Reef Club.
Yes.
Your husband, in fact, was even on the Orange Bowl committee here in Miami, right?
Yes.
Now, on the day that his boat crashed into that channel marker, you've already explained to us in your testimony that you had 1 to 2 Yetis with Prosecco and a splash of Chambord, correct?
Correct.
But in your interrogatory that you answered under oath, you indicated that you had 2 servings of Prosecco, each with a splash of Chambord. Not 1 to 2, you answered 2, correct?
If that's what it says there.
Do you want to look at it?
Sure.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes.
So you said in your interrogatory that it was 2 servings, not 1 to 2, correct?
Yes.
Now, your life has changed immensely since your husband crashed into that channel marker, hasn't it?
Yes.
Showing counsel states 5W and 5X.
Judge, can you stop?
Hold on a minute, let me see what you have. All right, come on over here for a minute.
Mrs. Pino, I'm showing you State's Exhibits 5X and 5W.
Yes.
Have you seen these images before?
Yes, I have.
Are these photographs that were taken in December of 2022?
Yes.
Of you, your husband, and your 2 daughters?
Yes.
I move States 5X and 5W for identification and evidence.
Over objection.
All right, so noted, and any other objection?
5W micro ID now states exhibit 117, 5X 118.
I'm sorry, 17 and
117, 118.
19.
18.
These are the images of your grieving husband and just a couple of months after this horrific crash, correct?
Objection, Judge.
Overruled.
Can I explain? That was,
I didn't have any questions.
The question
She
was,
wants to explain her response, counsel.
Okay, I understand if I can just get back to the voting first. What's your explanation?
so the first picture, there was one picture that was taken when we went to get away. For the past 8 years or so, my family, along with Gogo's family, and actually the Fernandezes have gone before, and so have the Puigs. We would go to the Panhandle and vacation there. And this particular year, in 2022, of course, we didn't want to go. the families encouraged us to go, and we went because it was good for the girls and to get away from all the noise, and so we did. And my girls needed that, and my husband, being the incredible father that he is,
Objections to narrative.
we went, and he stayed indoors most of the time. And that particular picture was taken when you go to the Panhandle. There's little towns. We stayed in Seaside, and you can drive to Rosemary Beach, and that's where that picture was taken. We went with Claudia's family as well on that day. And my eldest posted that picture because it was probably one of the first times she had seen her father smile in a long time.
Okay.
And she posted that picture.
Thank you, Judge. Now, when
Can
you
I
were,
explain the second picture?
Go ahead.
The second picture is my girls' high school that they go to. Their senior year, they don't. Their senior pictures are not traditional pictures where you have the gown that you wear and pose. You take family photos. So you go to the school and you take a family photo. And my eldest was home from college, and we had to take the picture in December because it's when she was home. And our family got together and we took that picture. That picture was actually posted in March when her best friend's family sued our family. And the motto, she puts in the comment, "Love conquers all," which is their school motto. Love conquers all.
now, I noticed that when the defense attorney was asking a lot of questions, you were crying quite a bit. Fair to say?
Yes.
Okay. Your daughter, little Ceci, your namesake, she wasn't badly injured in this crash, was she?
No.
It was not your daughter that was very physically injured in this crash, right?
Right.